Hi friends, now we are going to learn the square root problem in an effective manner. How to find square root in a fraction of second. So first you should know the square of a single digit numbers. Okay, it may be easy for you to find square root for many problems. Okay, if you want to find a square root for a bigger number, first you have to understand the square numbers. What is one square? One square means yes.
The square
Yes.
is multiplying the same number.
Yes, you are correct. One into one is one. So whenever if I ask any question, you can put in the chat box. Let me see that what is your answer. What is 2 square?
Yes, sir.
2 square, you can put answer in the chat box.
4.
Yeah, will you please put your answer in the chat box? 3 square. What is your answer for 3 square? Which is 3 into 3. Yeah, the answer is?
9.
Yeah, you can put in the chat box. Put your answer in the chat box so that I can go through it. How you are writing, what you are writing, everything I can go through it. That's all. So will you please tell, put your answer for 4 square. 4 fours are. Square means square of the number, multiply by itself. 4 into 4, 60. Yes. I want your answer in the chat box. So let me see that what answer you are writing. Yeah. Put in the answer for chat box, please, ma'am. 5 square, 5 into 5. So the answer is 25. Yes, some of the students write correct answer. And I want 6 square. What is 6 into 6? 36. Correct answer. And 7 square. 7 into 7. 49. Yes. You can write 8 square. 8 into 8. The answer becomes 64. Yeah, you are correct. The answer is 64 is correct answer. The last one, I'm going to ask you 9 square. What is 9 square? 9 into 9. 18. Understand? So this is your answers for the first 10 numbers. 10 square is 100. Okay, it is very easy for you to recall 10 square is 100. What is 10 square? 10 into 10, which is 100. Okay. If you know this, then it is easy for you to find the square root. Okay, sir. How to find square root? So why are you writing like that, sir? For some reason, I'm writing like that. What is that reason, sir? Actually, when you see these numbers, 4 square and 6 square, both the numbers are ending in 6. Have you observed that? 4 square is 16. 6 square.
Same for 2 square and 8 square, sir.
Yes. So 4 square and 6 square, both the numbers end with 6. Similarly, 3 square and 7 square. What is your ending number? 3 square is 9. 7 square also, yeah, ending in 9. Excellent, sir. So if you think about the other numbers, what is that? 2 square and 8 square. Both the numbers are ending in 4. Exactly correct. So can you tell about 1 square, 9 square? Yes. Yes, exactly correct. And 5 square end with 5. 10 square end with 00.
0.
Yeah, 00. We can say that 00, but you have to say 00. So this is very basic concept of unit technique. The technique is called unit technique. Okay, we are talking about unitary technique, unit digit. So the square number, unit digit we can observe. The unit digit will indicate about the square numbers. That is one technique. Okay, sir. Now, our aim to find what is your square root. It is simple, sir. What is square root of 1?
1.
Yes, you are correct. You are correct. 1. Square root of 1 is 1, sir. Yes, sir. You are correct. So let me write it. Yeah. So, okay. So 1 square root is 1. What is 4? Yes, sir. 2 2s are 4. So root 2 is 4. And can you say about root 9? 3. What is root 16? 25? 30? Yeah, you can put your answer. Root 36. And root 49? 64? 81? Yeah. This is a single digit. Okay. The answer is single digit. These are the perfect square number. Okay. Now we have to think about 100.
10.
Yes. 10. Okay.
11.
For square root of 121 is 11. 144 is 12.
12, sir.
169.
13. 14. And 16.
Okay, enough. Now I'm going to teach you how to do for entire problems when you have some numbers. How to do it. I'm going
Sir, root 400 is 20.
No. Wait a minute. I will teach you the technique how to find square root. Okay. So whatever the number is given to you, your duty to split the numbers as 2 digits from the right side. Suppose the number is 289. How to split? You should not take 28. 89 is one pair. 2. That is another pair. Like that you have to divide. Split the numbers. Suppose 729. How to split the digit? 29 is one pair.
29.
Yeah. 29 is one pair. 7 is the first part. So like that, whatever the numbers given to you, you have to split into pair of digits. Suppose you have 1296. How to split the numbers? From
96 and 12.
yeah, what is your first part? First part is 12. 12 is the first part. 7 is the first part. 2 is the first part. So whatever the square number, whatever the number is given to you, if you want to find square root of that number, your prime duty to divide the number into splitting of pair of digit from right side. That's very, very important. Suppose you have 8, 4, 1. What is your first part? 8 is the first part. You should not take 84. You should not take 84. You have to take only 8 is the first part is 8. You have the number 529. Which is your first part?
5.
5. Because for square root from right side, we have to take pair of digit, or in other words, split the digits into pair from right side for finding square root. If it is cube root from right side, we have to take 3 digit as a part. 3 digit you have to split into 3 digit, like that. Cube root, finding cube root you have to do it. Okay, sir. Now to finding the square root part, let me come to that part, how to find the square root. So now whatever the numbers given to you, first you have to find 2 parts are there. 2 part. First part and second part. So first part is very easy to find. You have to find what is the nearest square root. Suppose you have 529. 5 is the first part. What is the square root for 5? 2 2s are 4.
2 2s are.
Yeah, like that. If you take here 101089. What is your first part? 10.
10.
Yeah, for 10 square root is 3 is the 3 3s are 9. Okay. Here you have 20. 20, which is the nearest 4 4s are 16.
4.
If you have 34, what is your nearest number?
Yes, sir. 5.
Yeah, 5 5s are 25. Here 56.
Seven.
7 sevens are 49. Like that, first you have to find the first part. After finding first part, you try to find out the square number, what you have within that. Suppose 30. 30 is the first part. What is your,
Five.
yeah, 5 5s are 25. Yeah, now you have 50. What is your first part? 7. Now let me teach you how to find the second.
Second.
Yeah,
Second part.
second part. Okay. Now I am going to do some problems. I will explain you how to do it. Okay. Now the number is 5 0 4 1. The first part is nothing but 7 sevens are 49.
49.
What is square of 7?
7. 49.
Subtract 49 from 50. How much you have?
1.
Yeah. So that one you should write in front of the next digit. That is a very, very important things. So
Yes, sir.
find the, now first part is 50. In 50, when you find the square root of 50, 7 is the square root. 7 sevens are 49. Subtract 49 from 50. How much?
1.
1. That remainder one should write in front of the next digit.
149.
Now read.
141.
No. Read is 14. Read this 1 and 4 as 14. How to read this?
14.
14.
Yeah. Now I will take one more
Then 3
number.
square will come, sir. 3 square.
2 square. 9.
4096. What is your first part?
40.
40. In
40.
40, what is your square root? 6 6 are, yeah, 6 6 are 36.
36.
Subtract.
Balance 4.
Yes, the balance 4.
Next 49 7, sir.
No,
49. 7,
This-
sir.
4 you have to write in front of the 9. Read is 49. Understand? So I did first digit answer.
sir.
Now how to find second digit? Listen, second digit. How to find second digit? I'm going to tell you. Please listen carefully. Please listen. Don't talk anything. 1 9 3 6. So don't talk. The first part is 19. 19 we have 4 4s are 16. When you subtract 16 from 19, so we have 3. That 3 remainder should write in front of the next digit. Now read this as 33. Now how to find the second digit? I will tell you. Listen carefully. Now what you number you have? This is your
5
first part.
square.
Please listen. First part is 4. We want to find second part is what? First part is 6. We want to find what is your second digit. First part is 7. We have to find what is your second digit. Understand? Now, very important things. Here we have remainder is 33. Here next part is 49. Here next part is 40. What to do, sir? This 8 you have to multiply by 2. How many? 4 2s are 8. How many 8 are there in 33? This 33 you can divide it by 8. Twice of first digit. So 33 divided by twice of first digit. So 4 2s are 8. How many 8 you have in 33? Which is 4 8s are 32. Remainder 1. Come to this part. Twice is 6, 12. Twice is 6, 12. How many 12 you have in 48? So when you think about that, so 4 8s are 4 12s are 48. Remainder 1. So twice is 6 is 12. Number of 12 in 49 is 4. 4 12s are 48. Remainder 1, 16. Come here. Twice is 7. When you take twice is 7, which is 14. Number of 14 in 40. 1. That's another remainder. So the answer is 71 here. Square root of 5041 is 71. Square root of 4096 is 464. Square root of 1936 is 44. So still we have a simple steps left over. What is that, sir? What is the 16? Square of 4. 4 fours are 16. Subtract from 16 is 0. Come here. 16. 4 fours are 16. Subtract from 16 is 0. Here I have 1. Square of 1 is 1. Subtract from 1 is 0. So we have a perfect answer. Anyway, I am going to teach you with a new number from the beginning. So listen carefully. My number is 1, 6, 8, 1. So I'm going to teach you from the beginning. So what is the first part for the 16 is 4. 4 fours are 16, no remainder. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. Number of 8 in 8 is 1.
1.
Number of 8 in 8 is 1. 1 square is 1 from 1, 0. So the square root of 1, 6, 8, 1 is 41.
41.
Let's come to one more problem. 3025. I'm going to take a 3025. 3, 2, 5. If anybody know answer, you can put in the chat box.
5.
If you know the answer, put in the chat. No, you have to
5.
put your answer in the chat box. I want to see how many of you answering. No, wrong answer. Yeah, 3000. My number is 3025. 3025. Square root I want. Yeah. Very good. I understand. So let me tell you how to find the answer. Those who not understand, you can listen now. See, first part is 30. Is 30, we have 5 5s are 25. Square root of 30 is 5. So when you subtract 25 from 30, we have 5. That right in front of the next digit. So 5 5s are 25. Subtract from 30 is 5. Twice the 5. 2 5s are 10. Number of 10 in 52.
5.
5. 5 tens are 50 only. We have 2 balance. Now this is 25. Square the 5 is 25. 25 minus 25 is 0. So 3025 perfect answer is 55.
55.
Yeah. Now I'm going to give a problem. So those who know the answer, you can do it in your chat box. The number is, I'm going to give you a number. 4225. Come on, do it. 4225. 4225. Can you find square root of this number? Akash, Manoj, Kishore. Very good. I appreciate you all for your performance. Excellent, Ra. Good job.
65.
Yeah, 65 is the correct answer. So I'm so happy to see you all. Okay, your performance is very good. 65 is the correct answer. I think you may understand for the perfect numbers. So for the perfect numbers, you understand the square
Yes,
root.
sir.
I think so. Perfect number, you are telling correct answers. So
Yes, sir.
I am going to
16.
square and square root. This and all somewhat square problem only is there. Square root problem is not there. Okay, we'll take off that. Next one. So now our task is discuss about even irrational numbers, how to find, sir. So all the rational numbers, perfect numbers, you know very well. When you talk about numbers, non-square numbers between, 1 is a square number and 4 is a square number, 9 is a square number, 16 is a square number. Now my question is, in between, we have non-square numbers, that is 2. Is 2 square number? No, sir. 2 is not a square number. 3 is not a square number.
5.
Yeah.
8 and 10 also, sir.
5 is not a square number.
7.
7,
7, 8.
8. And here?
10,
10,
11, 12,
10,
13,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Up to 15, sir.
Excellent. Your answer is good. My question is, suppose if I give a square number, okay. If I give you a square number, okay, can you tell me, okay, how many non-square numbers between the square number? Can you tell like that? So without finding square root, that is a challenging. Okay, so now see that the numbers, some numbers I will tell you. Yeah, 529. This is it a square number?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
23.
Yes,
23.
yeah, you are correct. The number is 2 2s are 4, balance 1. 2 2s are 4. How many 4s are there in 12? 23. Yeah, you are correct.
3, sir.
Yeah. Now my question is, how much to add plus how much to get next to square number? Like that. 9 is there. 9 is there. If I add 9 plus how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I add 6, okay, I can get an extra square number. Or 6 plus 1, okay, 7. If I add 7, I can get an extra square number. Like that. How much to add to get an extra square number? Do you know? Do you want to know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, I will tell you. I will tell you very simple. Very simple.
8.
Very simple. No, no, no. Your answer wrong. Wrong
49.
answer. Pardon? Yeah, I will tell you. Listen. Now here, 2 numbers should add, correct? 2 plus 3.
Yeah, they're coming in pattern.
Yeah, you have to
So
find.
24.
No, wrong answer.
No.
Wrong answer. Wrong answer. I will tell you. I will tell you. Listen carefully. Here, square root of 9 is 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1. 7 numbers. If you add 7, you can get an extra square number. Or in other words, there are 6 non-square numbers between this and this. If you come here, what is square root of 4? 2. 2 into 2. So 4 non-square numbers are there. 4 plus 1. If you add 5, you can get next square number. Like that, 23 into 2. How much?
46.
46 non-square numbers are there between that. Non-square number. Between?
How can we verify it, sir?
Pardon? If you
How
want,
can we verify it, sir?
yeah. If you want, how? What's your question? Tell me.
So how can we verify it, sir?
Yeah. This is 23 square. Next number should be 24 square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 2 to 4 4.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I will tell you. Some more technique also. I will tell you how to verify. 4 4s are 16, balance 1. 2 4s are 8, 16, 17, excess 1. So 576 is the
5 times.
yeah next square number. Next square number. Wait. I will tell you. So 2 into 23 is 46 plus 1. So you have to add 47. When you add 47, you can get an extra square number. Okay. Now, in general, I will tell you. Suppose x is the square number. X is the square number. Okay. Y is the next square number. What are the non-square numbers between consecutive square numbers? Do you understand? X and Y are the consecutive square. Yes, please.
Sir, I can't understand how you found an irrational number, sir. Yeah, by dividing square root, irrational number of square root.
Very good.
I can't understand it, sir. Can you please tell again?
Yeah. You want how to find next square number, correct?
No, sir. First itself, I want to know, sir. I can't understand about it.
Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. The first part you are asking how to find square root, correct?
So, sir, by
First, I take a perfect square number. Okay, square root of perfect square number. We
He's
started.
asking how to find a root 2 or root 3.
Yeah, still I didn't start. Wait a minute. I'll come to that point. How to find irrational square. Still I didn't start. So now if one square number is given, suppose x square is the square number, next square number should be x plus 1 the whole square. So between first square consecutive square number, there are 2x non-square number will be there. There are 2x non-square number will be there. So if you want to get next square number, you have to add 2x plus 1. So this is a formula of x plus 1 whole square formula. X square plus 2x plus 1. Do you understand? So this is the method. Suppose if they given one square number, can you find previous square number, sir? Yes, we can find previous square number. One square number is given. How to find previous square number? You have to subtract. There are, okay, minus 2x. When you do minus 2x, there are, okay, minus 2x plus 1, which will give you to find previous square number. So one square number is given. How to find next square number? How to find previous square number? This and all possible. If you know the square root of this number, with the help of that, we can find. Okay. Now I will give one square number. Okay. Will you please find the next square number? Let's try to check. I give number something. Okay. 361. Is it square number, ma? I have a doubt. Is it square number?
No, sir.
No, sir. Yes, no, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why you are telling it is not a square number?
Sir, it is square number.
How?
Yes, sir. 19 square, sir.
What is 19 square?
361. 361.
So somebody said it is not a square number. Why? Okay, dears. So if a number is given to you, you have to check a divisibility test. Is it a square number or not? How many digits you have to check? Like that, the procedures are there. So what is your previous square number? What is your next square number?
60 square.
1,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, next square number is 19 into 2. Then 38 plus 1, 39. If you add 39 here, 400 is the next square number. If you want previous square number, now you have to take what? 30 minus 38 plus 1. So minus,
Minus 37, sir.
yeah, how much you'll get? Less 40,
324.
add 3. Yeah, 324. So how to find previous square number, how to find next square number. These are the techniques you learn now. Okay. Now we are entering into the real steps of how to find irrational numbers. So all the non-square numbers are irrational numbers. Understand? So for that purpose only, I discuss all these things. So we have started the class with the perfect square number. Perfect square number, I started a class with 1 square to 9 square. Then unitary checking. With the unit digit, we can check. The square number never end with 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay. You can't give any square number ending with 2, 3, 7, 8. So that is called unit technique. Unit technique will be helpful for you to identify the non-square numbers. Okay. The square numbers always end with what? 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 00. These are the possibilities to end. Square numbers always end with these numbers only. Square number never end with which are the numbers? Square number never end 2, 3.
2, 3, 7, 8.
Yeah. You can't give any square number ending with these numbers 2, 3, 7, 8. Not possible to give a square number ending with this. So I have given how the square number ending and how to find a square root of a perfect square number. Now irrational numbers. Before going to irrational number, how many non-square numbers are there between the square numbers? With that discussion, let's come to the part. Next part is how to find, okay, square root for the irrational numbers. That is a very, very important task of today's class. Now, first you have to find one technique is called Dvandva Yoga. If you know this technique, it is easy to find everything. Okay, so what is that, sir? If I give single digit, you have to find square. 2 digit, you have to multiply by 2, both the digit, like that. So that is called a special operation called D. D for Dandva Yoga. A special technique I have given you. How to find Dandva Yoga for any number. Suppose I give D of 4. You have to multiply 4 square. 4 into 4 you have to multiply. So what is that? 16. So single digit, yeah, single letter is given. Find this square. This is the formula. When two number is given, suppose 3, 4. So how to find D of 3, 4? You have to
34 square.
No. This is a special operation for that. You please listen how to do it. Suppose 2 letters are given, AB. The formula for AB is 2AB. You have to multiply A and B and multiply by 2. That is your technique. Come on, 3 4s are 12.
12.
Into
24,
2.
sir. 24.
Yeah, that is your answer for this 2 digit. Dandva Yoga for 2 digit. Suppose 3 digit is given, sir. 3, 1, 4, like that. See the formula, how to do the formula? A, B, C. How to do, sir? The first and last, you have to...
3AB.
No. Formula, I will tell you, listen. AC. 2AC plus B square. This is your formula. 2AC plus B square. Yeah. B square, like that. Come on, multiply. 2 into 3 into 4 plus
12.
middle term
12 to the
square
24. 24 plus 9.
plus
So
1 plus 1.
24.
Sir, 3 4s are 12 into 2, 24. 1 square is 1. So 24 plus 1 is 25. That is your method. Using that technique only, I am going to find the irrational numbers. Now listen, I am going to take root 5. Are you ready for root 5? Is it a perfect square number, root 5?
No, sir. No.
Yeah.
No, sir.
So root 17.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Root 26.
No, sir.
Okay, listen carefully now. Now, using my technique, you can find square root up to 3 decimals immediately now. Within few seconds. Within few seconds, you can find square root of these in few seconds. Normally, we'll do in synthetic division method. You will take like that. 5 is there. Double 0 you have to take. 2 2s are 4. Subtract become 1. Take 2 zeros down. This is your method you learn in 8th standard. 2 2s are 4.
Yes, sir.
Here dot. Here and here you have to put the same number with the trial and error method. Suppose you put here 1 year, 1 year. 1 into 41, 41, which is too
Yes, sir.
low from 100. Okay, now you try with the 2. So 42 into 2, which is 84. Yeah, after subtracting 16, now you have to take 2 zeros. 2 zeros. When you take 2 zeros, 1600. Now you have to multiply 22 into 2 is 44. Here and here you have to put same numbers. Let it try with 1 and 1. Yeah, 1 into 441, which is too low. 1600. So we can try with here 2, here 2. So this is 2 into 442. That is 884.
884.
Yeah, that also too low from 1000. Yeah, now we can try with the 3. Okay, 3, here 3. Yeah, 3 into 3, 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Yeah, this is. Yeah, now when you subtracting less 400. Yeah, this is a subtraction. Again, you can take 2 zeros. Okay, bring down. Oh, sir. This is somewhat 27,100. Now you have to try with the multiply with the 2 is 4, 4, 6.
4, 4, 6 dash.
Here
Sir,
and
6, sir.
you have to try with the
6, sir.
same digit, which is called trial and error method, correct? With the
Yes,
trial and
sir.
error method, we can try for answers. You want 6, sir?
No.
I have to try with 5. So let's try with 5. 5 5s are 25. 2, 6 5s are 30. 32 and 4 5s are 23. Again 4 5s are 22. So we have to subtract everything. So less 3, 4, add 6, 7, 7, 5. Yeah. This is somewhat 4,400. Yeah, when you divide that. So if you try with 6 also, you can get answer, correct?
Yes, sir.
6 4s are 24. Yeah, you can try with 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
26, 796.
Yeah. You have to check with the 6. Trial and error method. Again, go with 6. 6. 6 into 6. 36. Remaining 3. 6 6 are 36. 39. Remaining 3. And 6 4s are 24. 27. 2. Again 24. 26. Yeah. Possible. So now subtracting 7. Adding 2, 3, 0, 4. Good. Now it is goes on. That's why we said it is irrational number. Root 5 is irrational. Why irrational, sir? We can't predict the next digit is what? Non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. So we can't find it. Now let's come to our shortcut method. Are you ready? I will teach you such a lengthy method you can avoid. I can go with the shortcut method. Come on, listen now. What is your nearest square root for 5?
2.
Yeah, 2 2s are 4. What is remainder? 1.
1.
That 1 you should write in front of the next 10. Now read is 10. What is 2 2s are?
4.
4. How many 4s are there in 10?
2.
2 4s are 8. Balance, sir.
20. 2.
Yeah, balance 2, that is 20. But that is 20. You are correct. Now square these 2. Square the 2 is
4.
subtract 4 from 20.
5.
Subtract 4 from 20 is 16.
16.
Do you understand? So square the 2, subtract from 20 is 16. Now come to the 17. I will complete this problem later. Now listen with the 17. What is your first part? 17. What is your nearest
4
square
4s
root?
are 16.
4 4s are 16. Balance
1.
1. 10. Balance 10. You have to say balance 10. Don't say 1. Balance 10. Twice the 4.
10.
Twice the 4. Sir, twice the 4.
8.
8. How many 8 are there in 10?
1.
1 8s are 8. Balance
2.
2 or 20. 20. Yeah, square the 1 and subtract. Square the 1.
1.
Subtract from 20.
1. That means 10. 90.
Yes. Now come to 26. What is the nearest square root for 20?
5 square 25.
Balance.
10. Balance 10.
Yeah.
Balance 10.
Twice the 5.
10.
20.
How many
That
times?
means balance.
1.
Balance 9.
No. In 10 divided by 10, 1 10s are 10, no balance, 0.
No 1.
So now I find square root of root 5 with a single decimal is 2.2, 4.1, 5.1. These are the single decimal. If you want double decimal, you can go ahead with the next step. What is the next step? This
Repeat
16.
it till we want it, sir.
Any number of decimals you can go. First one decimal I finished. How to go with the second decimal I am going to explain you. Are you ready now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
This remainder you have to divide by 4. How many 4s are there in 16?
4.
4 4s are
4.
16. But what is your next part? You have to multiply this 2 into 4, 8 into 2, 16. You can't subtract from 0. So we have to go backtracking. When you go backtracking, instead of 4 fours are 16, I have to take 3 fours are 12, balance 4, 40. If I take 40 is the balance, now I can multiply 3 2s are what is B of 2 digit? 2 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are
12.
12. You have to subtract. When you subtract 12, we can get to what? 28. In 28, how many 4s are there? You have to divide. So 7 4s are. But
7.
after 0, you can subtract this number. 237. What is the number for 237? 2 7s are 14 into 2 28.
84.
Yeah, plus 9. Yeah, that actually 2 7s are 14 into 2 28 plus 3 3s are 9, which is 37. We can't subtract 37 from 0. So we have to reduce to 1. When you reduce 1, it becomes 6.
6. 24.
Now here 4 is the remainder. Okay, because 28 I divided by 6. 6 4s are 24, balance 4 40. Now 2 3 6. Come on, try with the 2 3 6. How much? 2 6 are 12. Into 2, 24. 3 3s are? What is your answer?
30.
33 can be subtracted from 40, yes?
Yes.
So I got 2.236. I get 2.236 in a few seconds, but here I take more number of steps. So again, I will teach you that only root 5 again. Listen carefully again. Carefully listen step by step. Can you see my board?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is your first step? First step is 2 2s are
4.
4. Balance
1.
1.
10. 10.
Yeah, 10. Twice the 2 is 4.
4.
4.
How many 4 in
That
10?
is 2. 2.
2 4s are 8. Balance
20.
Now,
20.
now twice this number. Now D of 2. you
4
have to say.
minus 20. 20 minus 4.
Yeah, this
4.
digit. Dvandva is 4. Subtracting 4 become?
Balance 16.
Yeah, 16 you can divide by 4. How many 4s are there in 16?
4. 4.
Actually 4. But when you come to next part, 2 4 we can't subtract, correct? 2 4. What is your 2 4? 2 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 4s are 6.
16.
16. We can't subtract 16 from 0. So this is 3. Now 16 divided by 4. 3 4s are 12. Balance 4 40. Now 23 you have to take Dvandva. 23. 2 3. What is your 2 3 Dvandva? 2 3s are 6. 12. Subtract 12 from 40.
Yes, sir.
38.
38.
Now again divided by 4. How many 4s are there in?
Sir,
Answer.
actually 28 should come.
28, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. How many 4s are there in 28?
7.
7 4s are 28.
7.
But if you
But we
put
cannot
7 here,
subtract from
yes,
0.
yes. 2 3 7. What is your number for 2 3?
Backtrack again.
Yeah.
Backtrack 4 into 6, 24. Remainder 4.
Yeah. When you take 2 3 7,
16.
2 7s are 14 into 2, 28 plus 9, 37. We can't subtract from 0. So it is backtracking. It becomes 6. So in 28, 6 4s are 24. Balance 4 40. Now 2 3 6. What is D of 2 3 6?
33.
Yeah, 2 4s
33.
are 2 6 are 12. 12 into 2, 24. Plus 3 3s are 9. 24 plus 9, 33. 33 we can subtract from 40. So the number is 7. So the square root of it is irrational number. Though it is irrational number, I can find the answer 2.236. It is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal, irrational numbers. I think everyone will understand this concept.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.